A general 606 non-turbocharged arrangement at the moment. I've got the turbo off, essentially the same components here. We've got basically a de-electronicized injection pump. You still got a little plug on the top there which is for cruise control, and then you've got a trim for your idle here. You've got some vacuum ports here which are to do with the transmission, and you've also got a breather line here for the vacuum. Each of those is a plug and play arrangement except for the cruise control, which is specific to each model. So if you look down, we've got a fair bit of diesel here at the moment because we've been bleeding this thing up after its little setback accident with a truck. So I've just put a bit of clear line in here so I know where I'm going when it comes to hooking it up, and then I'm not just wasting battery with no diesel coming through. So that's just clamped from there to there, and that's the end of it. Got the famous, and the same here, I've got just some very temporary vacuum lines here just hooked up to protect that from any rubbish going down it. So just to give us an arrangement here that'll show you how it works. So the glow plug relay is this thing here. It's set up, just basically punched into the existing, powered up to a battery, all a little bit makeshift but very easily tidied up. The original wiring that we got over here isn't really essentially changed. We've just picked up, it's a matter of what you need to run rather than trying to make all those original wires fit. So just to give you an idea how easily these things run, I've just jury rigged a line to the starter motor and a line to the battery. So I'll just kick it in, and we've obviously got a stop here which has got the great words on it that say stop. So I'll just show you. It'll run a bit rough because the idle has got no weight on it at the moment, so unless I put a little fraction of weight on it with my finger, it'll sort of want to idle at about 500 rather than 700, which is what happens when you got it with an electronic trim. So I'll just show you what it runs like. I'll run it for 2 seconds and hit the stopper. So this is with no glow, no nothing, so we'll see what happens. Pretty easy. Anyway, so that's that.